The store sells sandwiches for $5.50 each and drinks for $2 each. The store revenue from selling a total of 224 sandwiches and drinks in 2 days was $812. How many drinks were sold? So let me write that X will be number of sandwiches and Y will be number of drinks. What we have to find? We need to find number of drinks. That's why I have to find the Y. So we know that the store sold 224 sandwiches and drinks. So we can write that X plus Y is 224. What else? We have the price of sandwich and drink, and we got the total revenue is 112. So the number of sandwich times price, so this is 5.5. we don't need to write the 0 at the end because it doesn't change the value of our number, and we have number of drinks times the price. Price of drink is $2, so times 2, and again we don't need to write the zeros at the end after decimal point. It doesn't change the value of our number. This is equal, and the total revenue was 812. We don't write the zeros at the end after decimal point. So we got two equations, two unknown, and how we can solve this two equations. I will use addition subtraction method. So first I will multiply, because in the second equation I have 2y, so I will multiply first equation by -2. The whole expression on the left side I have to multiply by -2. So what will be? -2 times x is -2x. -2 times y is -2y. This is equal. -2 times 224 is 4, negative, of course, 8. And the second equation we will rewrite. So we have x times 5.5, so this is 5.5x, plus y times 2 is 2y. This is equal 812. Now we will add both sides. We have -2x plus 5.5x, and we see that -2y and 2y we can reduce. So now we have that this is equal -448 plus 812. -2x plus 5.5x, like terms we have, we copy x. 5.5 minus 2 is 3.5. And this is equal, we have 812 minus 448. This is equal 364. Now we have multiplication on the left side. We need to find x, so we will divide both sides by 3.5. And we see that 3.5 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 364 divided by 3.5, so this is 104. We found x, but we need to find the y, number of drinks. So we will use the first equation. We have that x plus y is equal 224. We know the x, so we will substitute x by 104 plus y is equal to 124. I will move 104 to the right side, so we have 224 minus 104. So we have that y is equal 120. This is my solution. We found the number of drinks.